Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen, and this morning the kids have made Dad's favorite breakfast. What we got, guys?
Okay, first we got butter, gravy, biscuits, potatoes, eggs are cooking in there, and more biscuits.
Cool. Yeah, we got Dad's favorite breakfast is potatoes and biscuits and gravy and eggs. Let's go in the living room and see what we got going on here.
I'm cooking the biscuits.
Let me see what you got, girls. This is our latest hatch out.
Yep.
We got, these are the Indian runner ducks.
This is a turkey.
And then we got
And
seven
this is
turkeys.
a baby chickie.
Quiet down.
And these are
7 turkeys that hatched out.
Which one is tinier? He likes me. 11 ducks. He likes me.
How many ducks?
11. And
Awesome.
he likes me.
I gotta recount the
He
chickens.
likes me.
Gentle,
Don't
precious.
do that.
He likes me.
Awesome. Let's see that. So we have, how many chickens did you get, Ethan?
I don't know. I can't count them. They all have them.
So Ethan manned the incubator, him and Mom.
Yeah, for the last
So
2 times.
his reward for that was he got to hatch out some chicks. So
Yeah, all the
he's
chickens
got
up here.
a barnyard special here. It's like about,
So this is the regular color of them, but then I ended up with a fully white one out of the batch.
cool. Where's the one with the little fuzzy feet?
They all do. Besides some of them. Yeah, see, they all got fuzzy feet.
Nice.
I think I got silkies.
So we're gonna
He
go
got black,
outside
white,
and look
gray,
at our chickens outside.
He got black, white, gray, and brown.
Here, we've made some progress. Caleb and Isaiah and Ethan worked yesterday and put up the boards for Mama's fence. That's sturdying it up and helping tie everything together, and we're getting ready to build the gates to get in and out. Careful guys, don't walk on the fence. But we're overloaded with chickens right now.
Overloaded.
Check it out.
We have 1,000 chickens.
We've got
Right here, Ethan.
still a bunch of our little babies.
2 of
They're
them,
everywhere. Let's pick those fruit trees up, Chelsea.
Yeah.
There's our laying hens. We're getting about a dozen eggs a day, I think, right now. Some of the, before we got the fence up, what's that one?
The blue one.
Awesome.
This is a rare one. This is snow fur.
So before we got the fence up, the dogs got to some of the chickens, our laying hens, but
This is
now be
snow
gentle.
fur. Where's Flair? We got 24 laying hens out of 50.
No, 40.
Loud.
Still got 24, so that's pretty good bit. And they're older hens. They were already laying when we got them, so not bad for around a dozen eggs a day. That's keeping us in. If we eat eggs every other day, we got enough to feed everybody.
Some of the chickens have a bump here.
Awesome.
Where one of their ribs.
Probably got something in their craw or something. Sometimes they'll get
See.
something big in there that won't digest or something like that. You'll have to research that. So there's our, the little Banty there is one of the first little chicks we got, and that little white Banty. And then we've got a bunch of, we gotta get a gate built. This was Dad's project yesterday, and I haven't got it all the way done. But a side note, guys, what's her name?
Buck.
Cool. Awesome. A side note for, it's kind of generic and cheesy to always say, hey guys, like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us some comments, but the kids really look forward to the comments. Like, that's one of their favorite things to do in the evening or when we get in, is we'll pull up the videos and look over the comments. Yeah, these are all the pullets that we raised, the first ones. But yeah, so keep the comments coming, guys. They really do enjoy the comments, and they're encouraging. Like, they give them, the comments give them ideas to things to work on and whatnot, and they just enjoy hearing from everybody what everybody's
chickens
thoughts
are
and
fast.
stuff.
Here's my chicken, the healthiest
She's
chicken
a
here.
very calm chicken of the medium-sized chickens.
This one's Pete.
Awesome.
He's a runner, a fire, and a jumper.
I think he's a she.
I think so too, but he's thirsty.
Doesn't
This
really
chicken
look-
has a long neck. I know.
Yeah, that one's a
Now
rooster.
stop.
I think.
No, that's not. Like, it looks like a rooster, but it's not.
It's a really long tongue.
Cougar has a gold head.
Awesome.
This is
So anyhow, guys, give us some comments. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we'll be getting the orchard planted. We're running behind on it, but we'll have it planted here before long and do an update video on that.
Keep an anaconda.
Yeah.
This is Cougar's
Well, y'all have a good day.